I do a lot of long distance riding, and windscreen extension is critical for that. I actually bought one back in March of 2022, a little cheapo model from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. And it kind of fell apart in the first couple of months, and I stuck a couple of pieces of wood on it to keep it upright and have used it for the last 2 years. But it was completely falling apart, so I had to get something new. So I got this idea from ADV Matt for an extension. I'll show you the video here. And went out and bought it off of Amazon. It was like $18. And then the next big problem was that it slides up, but leaves like a 4-inch gap here. So that doesn't work. So as Matt had said, he's got a black plastic to go in this mat here. So the plastic has arrived today, and I'm going to try and put it all together. The package arrived with the extension, and it's pretty simple. A bunch of screws. And then of course I looked all over the place for plastic, all over Home Depot, and I couldn't find anything, so I ordered plastic off of Amazon and got this. Just very thin. I think it's 0.04 of an inch, about half a mil, and smooth and black, and they're about 8 inches by 12 inches. One of the things to note on my bike is that it originally had a Givenchy windscreen, which was huge and very tall, and I didn't like it for off-road, so I took it off. But these winglets here are from the Givenchy, so they're different than the normal Yamaha ones, and they're really good at deflecting the wind off your hands. Yeah, and I'm going to take this in and just trace this right onto the plastic, up above these, round this off, and across here. But marked. Oh yeah, good. There it is. This is 75. Feels pretty good. A little bit of noise, but not bad. Now this is 120. A bit more wind noise than the last one, but the buffeting is not bad at all. It's hard to tell about the noise because my helmet is quite noisy. But yeah, the buffeting feels good.